Hello everybody, I hope you are in good health. Today I want to share with you some very useful information about this tea called Cistus Incanus. This sample came to me when I ordered some ginkgo biloba, and it appeared to be an excellent herb for cold and respiratory problems. I was suffering with cough, unexplained dried cough, and I just drank 2 cups of this tea and my cough has disappeared like magic. So I've decided to look into it and find out more about this so-called miraculous tea. This tea is especially known for its ridiculously high amount of antioxidants, and let me share with you some of the main benefits. May help with symptoms of Lyme disease, slows aging, helps with urinary tract infections, it's antiviral, protects DNA, promotes dental health, it has antibacterial properties, reduces symptoms of common cold and flu. It has antifungal properties and it's anti-inflammatory. And on top of that, let me share with you a little scientific research. Significant results supporting the use of this plant were found in a clinical study consisting of 300 participants with upper respiratory infections. Part of the group was treated with Cistus Incanus and another group with green tea over a period of time. It was found that those patients treated with Cistus Incanus had significantly less respiratory infection symptoms than those patients treated with green tea. There you go, a scientific research to highlight this beautiful plant and its powerful healing abilities. Thank you for watching, and I hope you stay in good health. Please subscribe to our channel for more useful health tips.